This is a tutorial on how to make a button for Unity. So what you're going to want to do is, if you already have a canvas, if you don't have a canvas, you're going to want to create 2D object, you're going to want to do UI and then button, and it will create it for you. If you already have a canvas, then you're going to just add a button here from UI, button, just down here. Then you can move your button to the right where you want it. Then you're going to want to, under button text, change that text whatever you want. For example, start. You can change the font if you have some downloaded to your computer by dragging and dropping it there. Font style, you can make it bold and italic. Font size, like 10. You can make it 30, 20. Color, you can change the color there. Boom. So you can make that whatever you want. Then what you're going to want to do is select the button part. Scroll down here. So on click, you're going to add. It's going to be right there. Then under your script, just create any function here. So for example, mine will be a start game function, and it will swap the scene. So let's say start game. We'll go back here. Under the button, you're going to add an empty game object and add your script to it. Go under your button again, drag and drop right there. Go under no function. Then you're going to go scroll down to the next scene. And then you're going to find start game. This will allow you to press the button. When you press the button, it will send you to the next screen, as you see here. There you go. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe and like. If you think you need more help with this, comment. I will respond to you. And if you would like any other tutorials, just comment and I will try to make it for you.